Good morning, Bikini Bottom, and all who inhabit it. I look like death today. Brandon's on Tinder.
Oh my god, it's a ghost.
I am about to go to work. I forgot my makeup at home, so I'm looking really rough. Tonight we're going to Amber's house to play Cards Against Humanity, so that will be fun. So stay tuned. Alright, little homies, we're on our way to my dad's house right now to go watch the Packers game. The game already started exactly an hour ago. Right now it's 5:25, and then we're all going over to Amber's house to either play cards or do karaoke or something completely not mundane, the way my family does things, just not normal. Oh, sorry, my brain's all over the place. I'm behind on uploading the vlogs, not because I haven't been editing them. Like, I've actually been pretty proud of myself. I've been filming every day, I've been editing every day, and then I go places where there's not enough Wi-Fi to upload the video. It's like, I do all the work and then I'm still behind. It's like, what's the point? I look little.
I look dumb.
Say something interesting for my vlog.
Something interesting for your vlog.
Everyone always says that. Say something better.
Say something better.
I don't like him. So I'm at my dad's, watching the game. What?
Did you say you don't like me?
I said I'm at my dad's watching the game.
What did you say before that?
Oh, I might have said that. Right now the score is 15-21 Cowboys. This dog is my favorite dog on the planet. Like, I grew up with too many dogs, so I don't really like dogs that much, but I would take this dog in a heartbeat. Hey, buddy. Go, go. So cute. Yeah, so good. We picked, oh, where to go?
That is not a first down.
As you can see, we're winning now. Good stuff. This game's giving me anxiety. The score is 28-31. We have the ball, and there's 35 seconds left.
Oh, look at him go.
What's that?
Time left. They get a touchdown, it's over.
No time.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, baby!
No way!
Yes! Yes!
It's always a good game when you're watching the Packers, you can admit that.
Touchdown, baby! With like 8 seconds left, something like that.
With 10 seconds left on the clock, we won the game. That was the weirdest play I've ever seen ever.
Yeah, I think they threw a couple of forward passes there, and that's illegal.
It's like, what the heck?
So,
Say something interesting for my vlog. Something interesting for your vlog. I said vlog. Oh, vlog. It's a toss-up between nipple blades and red velvet cake.
and dead parents.
And the milkman.
And the milkman.
They actually do my... Yeah! Dang it, I had dead parents.
No, you select somebody else.
Somebody else read it for you?
It's Uncle Mick's turn, isn't it? No.
No, he just went, but she wants him to read
Well,
it. For her.
but my card's in there.
Yeah, it's Allie. Look what I did.
Liver cake everywhere.
Liver cake. Amber dropped her liver
Here is
cake.
the church, here is the steeple, open the doors, and there is
My
homeless
liver cake.
people.
There's what?
Here is the church, here is the steeple, open the doors, and there is vehicular manslaughter. Here is the church, here is the steeple, open the doors, and there is your weird brother. Here's one. Here is the church, here is the steeple, open the doors, there is selling crack to children.
Selling crack to children.
Here is the church, here is the steeple, open the doors, and there is Aaron Burr. I don't know who that is. It's between these two right here. These are the, actually no.
Selling crack to children.
Oh yeah, selling crack to children want it.
Dang it!
Are you kidding me? Homeless people rhyme.
That would have been.
What's that smell?
Let's
What's that smell?
That sounds like a game show.
Pooping back and forth forever. What's that smell? Embryonic stem cells.
Oh my God.
That's definitely his card. What's that smell? The unstoppable tide of Islam. What's that smell? Poor people.
Oh.
Pooping back and forth forever wins.
Yabe.
I know why the cat's crazy.
Yeah.
They're chasing him around for hours upon hours.
Hi. My name is Michael. Add me on Snapchat at mj.gotdunks. You already know.
Oh, what are you doing?
What did the U.S. airdrop to the children of Afghanistan? Advice from a wise old black man. Good. The true meaning of Christmas. Finger painting. Kids with ass cancer.
Hell.
The Hamburglar. The Hamburger. It was you?
She's won already, dude.
Dang it! I've been holding on to kids with ass cancer for so long.
Blank. Kid tested. Blank. Kid tested and mother approved. Having anuses for eyes?
Anuses?
Wow.
Is that how you spell that? A-N-U-S-E-S?
Anuses.
I've been spelling it wrong all this time.
Catch his mother.
You've been spelling anuses wrong.
My inner demons. Kid tested, mother approved. Her Majesty, Queen Elizabeth II. Kid tested, mother approved.
He was gonna say hermaphrodite.
Silence. Kid tested, mother approved.
Yep.
Children on leashes. Kid tested, mother approved.
Yeah. That's
I hate
good.
that.
That's pretty
I
good.
hate children on leashes.
I hate them, I hate them. Oh my god.
Okay. What is George W. Bush thinking about right now? Tasteful side boob.
Tasteful side, boob.
What is George W. Bush thinking about right now? Getting crushed by a vending machine? Okay. And what is George W. Bush thinking about right now? Crumbs all over the goddamn carpet.
They neat. Takes me 10 minutes. In between 8 and 10 minutes to get there. I'm just saying. It'd be so much fun to have one more karaoke night with my whole family.
It would only be me and you singing.
That's true. That's it?
That's
You
it.
wouldn't sing?
Hello, you wouldn't even let me sing backup for that kid at the bowling
No,
alley.
because that was real life and you told me that you're bad at it. And karaoke's supposed to be bad. You're supposed to be bad at karaoke.
This
That's
is
what
true.
makes it good.
Yeah, I'm not doing
Did
that.
everybody put them
I
down?
didn't want the guy that you thought was really cute to
Because
listen
I
to
don't
you
wanna
sing
be
and be
good.
like, uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What's there a ton of in heaven? Racism.
Oh.
Oh god.
Who didn't put a card?
What's there a ton of in heaven? Grandma.
Oh, it's true.
That's
Wow.
Wait,
That is
a
pretty-
ton-
There's a ton of grandmas there.
there's a ton of grandma.
Grandma.
It's gonna be true.
Probably put that down.
Grandma.
What's there a ton of in heaven? Powerful thighs.
Powerful thighs.
What's there a ton of in heaven? Self-loathing. Yeah. What's there a ton of in heaven? 5,000 volts straight to the nipples. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Did you hear me?
What now?
Go ahead, say it again. Kool-Aid Man, and I went,
Oh yeah.
So loud.
we used to do that.
Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm driving home from Amber's house now. I It's really late at night. I mean, it's not really late. It's like 10:30. All right, guys. I was just about to go to sleep, but I just wanted to say goodnight real quick. There wasn't too much going on today, but I hope you enjoyed what there was, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.